Visiting the Retro Classics in Stuttgart, the world's largest and most beautiful meeting place for lovers of automotive legends. Exhibitors from many parts of the world present precious and worth-seeing rarities from all eras of the automotive history. Experience nostalgia and elegance with everything that goes with it. First-class special shows, large parts market, and a fascinating program of events. This year, Porsche is celebrating 75 years since Ferry Porsche realized his dream of a sports car. With his team, he produced the Porsche 356 #1 Roadster. It marked the birth of a legendary brand and laid the foundation for an exemplary success story for the Porsche legend. Porsche also exhibits legendary racing cars to celebrate the victories in the Paris-Dakar Rally in 1984 with a 953 and in 1986 with a 1959. Group 6 Formula cars such as the Porsche 936 are also exhibited to celebrate the racing successes at the 24 Hours Le Mans race. The Porsche Mission R is the version of an all-electric vehicle for customer motorsports and it's based on the Porsche Taycan. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a limited production mid-engine plug-in hybrid sports car manufactured by the German automobile manufacturer Porsche. The 918 Spyder was first shown as a concept at the 18th Geneva Motor Show in March 2010. The 918 Spyder is powered by a naturally aspired 4.6-liter V8 engine developing 599 horsepower at 8,700 RPM, with two electric motors delivering an additional 282 horsepower for a combined output of 875 horsepower and 1,280 Nm of torque. At the BMW Pavilion, you can admire young-timer and old-timer classics from the range of BMW cars and motorcycles. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, like, subscribe to my channel, and see you again in the next video with an introduction to the Mercedes-Benz cars and many other legendary brands which were exhibited at the Retro Classics 2023 in Stuttgart. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.